Liquid Rubber DIY here today to show our gutter system. Step one was to wash the box gutter with a water blaster or wire brush. Make sure it's completely dry and clean before going to stage two. Stage two is preparing your geo fabric to suit over the seam, this failed seam. So we pre-cut our geo fabric before diving into the waterproof sealant. Here we go. Remove your piece of geo textile. Best time to do this is in the shade or early in the morning. Definitely not when the rain's coming. So you want to put a fair amount on as you're gonna, and wider than your pre-cut piece of geo fabric. You're gonna lay it in like that. You want to get it nice and flat, no crinkles. Start from the middle and work your way out to the outside, making sure there's no air bubbles underneath. So this is first coat, where this will then end up having numerous coats over top, which you will see later on in the other stages. You always want to keep your geo down, not go up onto this piece. We're building up a membrane, and then we're going to use our rapid cure spray to set it. Get it nice and even. Kind of like icing on a cake. And then we're going to put our rapid cure spray. We're going to leave that to cure and do all the other areas on the roof. Perfect example of why they have leaks around this overflow pipe. Failed clear silicone holding the moisture in, making it rust. Pre-cut piece of geo textile that we cut to bridge all of them holes. So we're going to show you how easy it is to fix this with waterproof sealant. So we're going to put a nice coat around there. The waterproof sealant will stop any of that rust from growing anymore. This will end up getting 3 coats. So if you do miss anything on the first one, you'll pick it up on the next one. Because there's the rust there, I might put it on a little bit thicker there. Okay, a pre-cut piece of geo fabric. Long strokes, make it nice and even, followed by a rapid cure spray. It'll turn chocolate brown to black once cured. Stage 3, we're going to apply waterproof sealant by brush and roller. It's usually best with 3 people in the shade, or afternoon or early morning. One pours and rolls, and the other two brush both sides. Rapid cure spray. Like to let it settle a bit to try and get a few of the roller lines out. That's first coat. See you tomorrow for second coat. What? Stage 3, applying second coat by the spray gun. On this coat, we're going to broadcast some grit into the wet product, waterproof sealant, followed by the rapid cure spray. Other words, feeding the chooks. With the grit going on to the waterproof sealant, as we're putting on the gutter armour or the trafficable membrane in white after this process, it just keys it in with the UV white coat. Liquid Rubber DIY here today to show you how to mix and apply the trafficable coating to the cured waterproof sealant that we did last stage videos. Here we go. So you're going to get a vortex in your coating. He's going to add the continue to stir this for a couple of minutes and let it sit for a couple of minutes before you start applying. So maybe 5–10 minutes total. Okay, this is the trafficable coating being mixed for 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how to apply it. Okay, so we're going to do one coat here and another coat tomorrow. more. Today we're going to show you how to apply second coat to the first coat cured trafficable coating. They all spread out beautifully. Ready for the future.